Marvelous production.
Truck man, time to stop right here. Everybody, when I say honk your horn, I want you to put your hand in the ear and pull the horn. Yeah. And when I say overdrive, I want the gallop to bend over and drive. Let's go now.